Hello friends, have you ever felt a sudden loss of power while accelerating or noticed your turbocharger isn't boosting properly? Then you scan your car's ECU and see code P0239. But what does it mean? Is your turbo failing, or is it just a sensor issue? Stay with me, because today we'll break it all down and help you fix it. P0239 stands for Turbocharger Boost Sensor B circuit range or performance. This means the engine control module, or ECM, has detected an irregular signal from the boost pressure sensor, also called the BPS, or the manifold absolute pressure sensor, which you might know as the MAP sensor in relation to the turbocharger. Symptoms of P0239 include loss of power or sluggish acceleration, the turbo not engaging properly, the check engine light coming on, excessive black smoke from the exhaust, and sometimes whistling or unusual turbo noises. Ignoring this issue can result in poor fuel efficiency, damage to the turbo, and overall engine performance issues. To diagnose and fix P0239, check these key components. The boost pressure sensor, which is usually mounted on or near the intake manifold intercooler pipe, or directly on the turbocharger. The manifold absolute pressure sensor, which is typically found on the intake manifold or throttle body. The turbocharger wastegate and actuator, located on the turbocharger assembly and often connected by a vacuum line or electronic actuator. And finally, vacuum hoses and the wiring harness. Make sure to inspect the vacuum lines running to the turbo actuator and check the wiring near the sensors for any damage. If any of these components fail or get clogged, it can cause P0239 and lead to turbo boost issues. Alright, so the most common causes of a P0239 code start with a faulty boost pressure sensor, or BPS. If that sensor is malfunctioning, it might send the wrong data to your ECM. Another thing to look out for is a dirty or clogged MAP sensor. When that gets contaminated, it can give false pressure readings. You might also have vacuum leaks or cracked hoses. Any leak in the system can lead to inconsistent turbo performance. Wastegate actuator issues can be a culprit too. If it gets stuck open or closed, your turbo just won't generate the right boost pressure. Of course, turbocharger problems themselves can cause inconsistent boost pressure. And finally, don't forget wiring or connector issues. Damaged wires can keep the ECM from getting accurate sensor signals. So, here's how you can fix a P0239 code. Step 1. Check the boost pressure sensor using a scan tool to compare real-time data. If the readings are inconsistent, go ahead and replace it. Next, Step 2. Clean or replace the MAP sensor if it's dirty or clogged. Step 3. Inspect all your vacuum hoses and boost pipes for cracks or leaks, and replace any damaged hoses you find. Step 4. Test the wastegate actuator. Make sure it moves freely and isn't stuck. Step 5. Check for any loose or damaged wiring near the sensors and turbo system. And finally, Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner. Then take a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. P0239 is definitely a turbo-related issue that can really kill your car's performance if you ignore it. Fixing it early means you'll have proper boost pressure, better fuel efficiency, and honestly, just a smoother ride overall. But hey, if the problem keeps coming back, make sure to get your turbo system checked by a professional. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0173, Fuel Trim Malfunction, Bank 2, and P0174, System 2, Lean Bank 2, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.